what brings you to Space Tech Expo?
I've really enjoyed the show, the past couple shows that I've been to here and also in Bremen. I get a lot out of it. There's fantastic networking opportunities as well as really in-depth panel discussions. So it opens up a lot of doors and insight to the industry.
And I understand you've been a speaker at previous shows as well. What sort of things do you talk about?
I have been a speaker, and I'm out here usually to promote the commercial space industry, kind of highlight some of the issue areas that we may have, concerns we may have, but also the progress that the industry is making. And I think it's a great story to tell what the commercial space sector is doing, and I'm happy to be the spokesperson to do that.
What changes have you seen in the space tech industry in the last few years?
It's a tremendous amount of growth, a lot of new innovation that is out there, a lot of opportunities for entrepreneurs. Just on the launch market alone, where there was just one or two providers, 2 or 3 providers, there's an abundance of these smaller launch providers coming out there into the marketplace. I'm really excited about that. Payload manufacturers, what they're doing, innovation in technology like electric propulsion. I'm seeing some of that. So every year it's a little bit more and more, and it's really livening up this great industry of ours.
And what sort of people do you hope to meet and connections do you hope to make here at the show?
Everyone and anyone. There's always just top-notch people here. There's old friends and then there's new friends. So it's always just good to be out here and press the flesh and hear what other people are doing. You never know what the next big thing may be, and a lot of times you hear it here.
That's good. Why is attending this event so important for your business?
I think the location is great. So often we're stuck on the East Coast, and we have that East Coast mentality. So it's good to get out of Washington and see what's going on here on the West Coast. There's so many different companies that have great things going on. So I like that aspect of it. It gives me an opportunity to see the other companies that we represent. But it's a fun show, and like I said, it's a lot of good people.
And it's nice and warm.
It is warm. It is warm. I like the weather. No doubt about that. I like to see the mountains. So.